Welcome to today's video. Alright, as we enter the house from the carport. Whoa, well let me say why this would be a great deal for a homeowner versus an investor is because he can get a 30-year loan and he can buy with a lot of equity in it as a first-time home buyer. It wouldn't work for me as a rental because it was way too high. I think it went like 70,000. It's worth about 110, 120. And as you can see, the house needs work, so it wouldn't have made sense. So let's look at the house. Got old carpets right here. So it's a solid house. It just needs a little bit of updating, as you can see. Carpet needs to go. Pillar stick tile needs to go. All the wood panel on the wall gotta go. The cabinet's not bad. You can just paint them. Take this out, put some sheetrock or some molding up here, make it look good. For the neighborhood, I don't think they have granite in the neighborhood, or they might. Could just put tile for the countertops. It look like a brand new place. This house needs about 10, 15,000. It'll look like a brand new house. So I'll take y'all through the house real quick. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the bathroom. Definitely needs some work. Everything needs to be touched in this house. First bedroom right here. Got the 70s carpet. Ceiling tiles. Old fan. This is the master room. Has a master closet. Again, old carpet. Wood paneling. And this is the 3rd bedroom. All this gotta go. So as you can see, it's a solid house. It just needs some TLC. So, if you guys got information, share it with people that's in your circle. You know, you wanna see them have success. If you know they're buying a house at a bad deal, let them know. Or if you know how to get a good deal on a house, help them out. You want to put people that's in your circle in a good position. So I'm trying to put him in a good position so he gets in a house with equity so he can build wealth over time. And wealth starts when you get equity in your home. So that's about it. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all like the content, and I'll see you on the next video.